The higher up the person ranks in the company, the better the chance I'm selling hair and makeup. The CEO, the CFO, they gonna want hair and makeup. They gonna definitely want hair and makeup, and especially if it's public. If it's I know for sure if it's public and it's somebody of rank, I can sell hair and makeup without a problem. And I'm talking about $300 a head hair and makeup without a problem. $200 a head hair and makeup. Depending on what it is, how much hair we talking about. You can't, somebody now can get braids or something like that, but they can get a press and curl or something like, they can get a decent amount of hair and makeup. A lot of guys get hair and makeup. They're bald. They don't want to be shiny and sweaty. I've sold just as many hair and makeup packages to guys as I have ladies. And if you have a problem selling hair and makeup, turn your camera to the highest video setting, film them, and show it to them on the highest screen you got.